Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos from the previous shoots. I still have a lot of photos unedited, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is just to change all the standard Adobe color to the camera default standard setting, so that it's just I don't have to do it all at once because I have the sync going on, so everything should be synced to the same colors. So let's get started, and I'm gonna choose this hair flip one to start with because I like the color in this one. So let me edit the cropping, and you can see here to see where it should be cropped. So I can crop around here and just zoom in to see if it's sharp. Yeah, it's pretty sharp already, and I'm gonna adjust the contrast. Basically the color is pretty good already. I'm gonna reduce a little bit of the yellow and the green. Yep, and then increase a little bit more of the. So for this one, I'm not gonna use the portraiture 3. I'm just gonna retouch a little bit since it's pretty smooth already. And okay, so that's good. And then I'm gonna export. I'm gonna copy this one, copy this edit, and then paste it to this one because they had the same tone. And this one in front, I'm gonna add more shadow on this one. So it based on the different environment setting, the color has a little bit difference in here. So I'm gonna add a little bit more shadow. And you can see a little bit of green tint right here. I'm gonna reduce the green tint with the yellow. You can see that the green tint affected in this yellow bar right here. I'm just gonna update the other one also. There's some green tint I need to fix. Okay, I'm gonna override the previous one, and this one I already fixed it. I still think there should be a little bit more shadow in front. Okay, that's good. And increase. Okay, so this is good. And then do a, I'm gonna crop this negative space. It's not very useful to the overall picture. I'm just cropping it so that it fulfills the whole frame with all the flowers in the back. And you can check here is more toward the center part, and then the dress matching the color of the flowers. Okay, so pretty good. And I'm gonna add a little bit more 30, slightly more of the shadow here. Okay. And just do some small skin softening in here. So I'm just gonna do a little bit more skin softening in this area, and then slightly here. Do one more near the eyes area. Okay, and then one more in the general area here. Okay, so that's good. And then export it out to my local folder. I'm gonna edit one from this portion also. The IAF focus on the eyes very nicely. I'm just gonna smooth the skin a little bit, retouch in here, and some small patching. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna do a nice one from here. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust the exposure a little bit. Shadow. Okay. Maybe one more time the shadow in the face area. Okay, that's good. And then do the cropping the and I like the bokeh in the top here. It creates a little bit of effect with the negative room on top. And let me double check. Okay, so I might go up a little bit more. And this is helpful for checking the framing in here. So okay, I feel like I still need a little bit more shadow in the front area. Okay, so that's good. And then export it out. Let's do another one close up in this one. Let me see how the framing if on Instagram if I post 4x5. I might just put the eyes near toward the third area, but the crop is cropping too much of the hand right here, so I don't like this one. Maybe this one is better. Let me do a crop here. And you can see the cropping in here. I like the bokeh on the negative side as well, so maybe like this. And then let me do a smooth skin on this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some shadow in this one. One more time, just to brighten it up a little bit more. Okay, so the highlights, let's adjust the highlight. One more shadow on this one. yeah, reduce a little bit, and that's good. Let me do a portraiture 3 for this one. And I noticed the yellow has a little bit more yellow because of the light right here, but I'm gonna leave it for now. Let's see how it goes. I can reduce the yellow a little bit, and then the green. Okay, so that's good, and then I'm gonna leave it right here and then continue on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.